title. Oh my god, I didn't change my title.
Oh my god, he sucks. Oh my god, he sucks. I changed my title to Faze, not Miami. Boys and girls, we're here, baby. Listen.
Can Ahmad please change the title to Faze Yacht Party?
It is a late stream because Lacey, drum roll.
What's the drum roll?
Telling them what we're doing.
What are we doing?
Faze Yacht Party.
Okay, we got a yacht party tonight. Unfortunately, we did go live late. I was literally stuck trying to fucking put this shit together for the entire day.
It was pretty bad.
It was very stressful.
It was.
People, you know, it was stressful. It's stressful as fuck. But
Yeah.
We got everything put together.
M3, how we doing? Dogs, how we doing?
I'll be honest. I think I'm a little sick. I'm tired. I'm sunburnt.
It's been a long day. That's all we can say. It's been a long day planning and shit like that. Getting everybody together, getting this boat. Mind y'all, chat. Okay, let's break it down real quick. Okay, first of all, there was a limit on the boats. There's 2 boats.
Yes.
The boat's gonna be tied together.
So here's how it's gonna work.
Yeah, go ahead. Explain it.
Basically, because it's spring break, Miami is very, very, very strict with their rules with yachts and parties, right?
Yes.
So, each yacht has to have a 13 people limit on it.
Yes.
Legally. So we had to get 2 yachts, and we are each going out separate, and then we're gonna meet in the middle and tie our yachts together and
just
start the party out there.
And stay there.
And
like
stay
we're not
there.
moving the boats anywhere.
Yes.
So we're staying there. We have basically 2 boats, and
Yes.
then here's the biggest thing.
Now,
different big stuff. Q.
Here's the funny part.
Yeah.
We told Ron that it's a fishing trip and not a yacht party. So Ron is under the information that we are all going on a Faze night deep sea fishing trip. So Ron, I don't know if Ron knows.
Ron is literally on the way. Bought a fish.
Yeah, we sent Ron to Bass Pro Shop. He said he was getting fishing gear. Ron thinks he's going fishing.
Yeah, so he's pulling up in full gear, like that.
Yes,
full
Ron,
gear, fishing, rod and everything, the full thing. Okay. Here's the thing. Okay, we got a little problem. Since there was a limit to the people on the boat, I just want to say to M3 real quick. We only could have 1 cameraman per people. So it's gonna be me and Lacey on 1 ingest, so Drew's gonna come on the boat.
Yes,
Rocket
Yugi
couldn't
and Ron,
come, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yugi and Ron's gonna have 1, which is gonna be
Max
Nas.
and Rage are gonna have 1.
Yes.
We need to have girls on the boat, bro. That's
I know.
We need to have
So
we need to have the Huzz.
we're gonna be sharing ingest today. Drew's gonna be both our cameramen, so he's gonna have to roam around both. So chill with us on that. He's not gonna be able to be both locations at the same time. But
we have 2 familiar faces on our boat.
We do. Great.
So Lana pulled up. She's coming on a boat.
Oh, lovely. I fucking love it over here.
Kenzie pulled up. She's coming on a boat.
Oh, God, I love this.
And then Max and Silky, for all we know, they're going to have a fucking BBL boat.
Yeah.
So hopefully Max and Silky got some bad bitches on their boat. But hey, tonight should be fun. I'm going to be honest. I'm a little tipsy already. I had a little bit to drink. I did. I had 4 shots already. Yeah. So I'm a little bit tipsy. So it's gonna be a fun night. I'm gonna drink.
It's gonna be
I'm
a
gonna
fun
get
fucking night. He's gonna be hammered.
I'm gonna get hammered.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be carrying this motherfucker around, obviously, because he's gonna do stupid shit and shit like that. He already starting to do some stupid shit. I'm not gonna say it, but yeah, we got Lana and fucking what's her name again? What's the name girl from yesterday? I forgot.
Oh, you forgot her name. Oh, really? Maybe I should let her know when we go over there you forgot her name.
No, please don't start. Listen, no more dirty macking, bro. Tired of shit, bro. Okay. Listen. I know y'all keep asking about that one name. Obviously,
who are they asking about?
You know who they're asking about.
Chanel?
No.
Sadie. No, Sadie cannot come, guys. She said she wanted to come, but unfortunately, she does have a new puppy to take care of. Sadie could not make it. Sadie cannot make it, but...
Yo, boring fucking night. Like, that ass. Yeah, I don't give a fuck, bro.
It's not gonna be a boring night, bro. It's not gonna be a boring night. We about to get fucking lit on the yacht.
Can you hear me? Chat, you out there? Put a 1 in the chat if you can hear us.
Yo, chat. Yo.
Okay, we're about to find out. Hold on. Nobody wants mics. Okay. Yes, they can hear. Oh, they're saying hi to you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, you're sweet. Okay, chat. How about I get roasted on this bitch?
No, they like you. They keep saying that you're beautiful.
Oh my god.
Someone in the chat just now actually said, "Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Her eyes are so pretty." It was me that said that, yeah.
Is mine on? Is mine on?
Yeah. Can I shine a flashlight in your face? Hold on. Phone's glitching out a little bit here. Oh wow, they're like green hazelish. Very pretty eyes. Wow.
Better than flash for sure.
Wait.
Very pretty. Is yours working or no? So should we just go back on the boom mic?
Fuck it.
Should I turn it off back on?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Laura, what have you been up to?
I've been home for a while.
I haven't talked to you in a while. Every time I text you, you just ignore me and ghost me.
You there? That's actually my biggest pet peeve.
What's your biggest pet peeve?
You can't even have a conversation.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
What do you mean?
On red.
You do not get left on red.
Yo, chat, this work, this work.
She's not wrong. I work a ton. I'm always working.
Chat, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
That's why sometimes here and there I won't answer. But I do my best to answer. Are you honest? You know mics?
Fuck it, no mic. No point.
Connect the boom.
But they're saying the music is louder. So.
It is. That's how we should figure out the mics.
Why don't we just lower the music?
It's better? It's better? Just for now, Huh? Yeah, have it. Wait, I knew where you turned the music down or not? Is that right there? Yeah, you do before? Is that?
Oh, he'll call it over?
Nah, but yeah, the weather out here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The view.
Amazing. The view, the water, so beautiful. Waiting for the other boat to come out. Music's good. They're saying the music was good before, Marlon. Saying the music was good. Is that good, chat? Or is it? You good, Marlon?
Yeah, I'm just looking at something very pretty. Y'all can...
Something pretty is like that way.
Oh, yeah?
No, wait, who?
It's not that way?
What way? Wait, what? Did you say me?
Are you complimenting me?
Never.
Appreciate that. Thank you, bro.
For Riz. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Dude, I'm not rude.
What the fuck happened? What the fuck?
So, one is instigate? Wait, Ron.
Stop fighting.
Alright, no fighting. My bad.
That shit childish, y'all. What are you guys? Kids? The
Yeah,
fuck?
I need a man.
She needs a man.
A man? That's a man to you?
That's not you.
My bad, bro. I didn't mean to disrespect it, bro.
No, it's not like that, man.
Dude, wait.
Hold on. Run, did you get something? Run! Oh my god! You got one? Oh my god! I got something! I got something! Run, hurry! What is it? What the fuck? What did I get? What did I get? Okay, you got some fish. You got fish! Oh my god!
Have you been on a yacht before?
Yes.
So like what do you like what you be dancing, like you be drinking, you be
I mean, I can.
yeah? Now we're gonna dance later though, but like we gotta warm up to it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we gotta warm
We
up.
gotta warm up to it first. I don't know who you dancing with, but I got mine.
What?
Huh? Who you dancing with? Who you dancing with? Like what the fuck?
Who's the girl that you invited? Back there.
Who's that? The girl I invited?
Yeah.
You. I invited you. What you talking about?
You're getting caught up, Lacey.
Caught up with what? I'm just chilling.
He's big chillin'.
Why are you laying down for?
I'm not laying down. I actually what? Oh, they need me to go help grab the boat. I'm the captain.
What the fuck? Nah, I had to bring the whole party, you know what I mean? I had to help bring the whole party and shit. Because this is a friends thing.
Are we getting to rough night? It looks kind of romantic up here. Romantic. What are you gonna do about it?
It's like a friends thing, broski.
Hey, baby girl.
You said what? Nah. Listen. Baby girl, let me see you do it dance, let me see you twirl.
Shaking ass in the club with your homegirl. Show the gram, show the whole world.
Yeah!
Show the whole world.
Is that your bestie?
I'm a white bully, y'all like Gretzky.
Huh? Impress me.
Nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you twirl. On the homegirl.
Show the whole
Yeah, come on.
Is that your bestie? I'm a ice bully, y'all like
Jet ski. Impress me.
on the dance floor.
Well, let's dance right here. Fuck it. Let's come on.
How many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist.
Give it a five. Appreciate it, Brody.
You got some bass in the trunk, my love. Yeah. How many hoes in this club?
Yes.
Is it really just
Me, my love.
You know my dad and fitness for real, yeah. But band out in Memphis, Tennessee, my love. I ain't saying that it's free, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl.
Shaking ass in the club with your homegirl.
There's a bunch of girls there who are dancing. Nah, I don't care. Fuck that. Get lit. Get lit, long nigga. Yeah. Damn. Yo.
Impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Look up into the ground, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie?
I'm an ice boy, y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like that's me. At the dance floor,
Get nasty. Impress me. It's a fire fucking song. Don't run. Where's the song?
Oh, sure, I see.
We need to face this way.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
I know you don't know this. But
Hey, that's you.
help!
What? That's what I know. What happened?
I don't know.
You see? That was interesting. This nigga was dying. You see that shit? Huh? What you got next? What you got next? Bro, Jack, help him. What? Hey, hold on. What? Hold on, damn! What? Oh!
I do.
Hold it. Judge. Damn, Max. Damn, Max. Damn, Max. Damn, Max. Damn. Oh.
Go this nigga. Alright, come on. Run. Yeah.
Silky! You shotgun? You want shotgun?
I can't believe we made it this far, man.
Y'all ladies have fun? Chill. Free night, you know?
I gotta watch my shit.